Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. And I'll start with UK FTSE futures. A counter to the counter bullish harami yesterday with a fresh close over the January high at 69.10. This was after the previous session's immediate countering bearish dark cloud cover pattern and prior bullish opening white Mariposa. It was a continuation of the move along the top side of the upper trend line, currently 69.03, of the January to date broken rising wedge pattern. This supports the current move higher as being a true break over the rising wedge, and it also brings the market closer to the overhead targets for the recent bullish patterns. These are target X in the 70-10 area is a target for the January to March sideways triangle. Target X1 in the 70-95 area is a target for the late January early April rising wedge pattern, and target X2 in the 71-15 area, that's the full target for the rising wedge pattern. So far today, a further gain as the market is now approaching not only target X in the 70-10 area, but also the earlier April high at 70.01.5. German DAX futures. An indecisive spinning top yesterday, but that was not the real show here. The real show may be the possible diamond pattern formed over the last 4 weeks or so. This is not a perfect one, there are a few that are, and there may be something else going on, but the moniker and pattern seem to fit right now. The question is whether this is a bullish continuation diamond pattern or a bearish diamond top pattern. Cannot tell which way the breakout will be, nor if we have false breaks first. However, I can give you an idea of the size of the move should it happen and be confirmed. The move right now would be in the order of about 450 points. I'll just let that sink in for a moment. As I say, I cannot as yet tell the direction. Looking outside this, top side has the overhead projected 50% Fibonacci line at 15.629, whilst below we have the rising 2-pointer uptrend from very late October 2020, currently at 14.830. So far today, the market is forming what looks like a bearish engulfing pattern, and that is testing the lower diamond uptrend, currently at 15.236. Very interesting where we close tonight. US E-mini S&P futures. Yesterday's action was odd. It was another all-time high, but it had elements of both an indecisive spinning top as well as a bear spike. All this is not unexpected, as I had pointed out recently, how the rising middle time, currently at 41.78, of the December 2020 to early 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork, the pitchfork that has shown the bullish angle of attack since February, well, it was squishing the market between this upward moving middle time and the two significant overhead projected Fibonacci levels. The projected 50% Fibonacci level at 41.83 and the separate projected 100% Fibonacci level at 42.07. This narrowing of ranges this week is very indicative of this action and of a possible big move once it stops. So far today, higher opening, new all-time high that is seemingly trying to break out of the recent squishing of the overhead projected Fibonacci levels. Market's broken up clear of the 50% projected Fibonacci line and right now is holding over the projected 100% Fibonacci line, but only just. It will have to do more than that if it is to be sustained. French CAC 40 futures. Bullish opening white Mariposa yesterday and the second highest close ever. It seems the market has taken enough energy and ammunition from the important lower time, currently at 62.08, of December 2020 to January 2021 bullish Andrews pitchfork, and its nearby partner, the short moving average, currently at 61.96, as well as the prior all-time high from July 2007 at 61.69. Please note, the bullish pitchfork has up till now brilliantly driven the bullish incentive higher, since its inception in late January. As I've said for the last 6 weeks, and I quote again, all is moot until prices move out of those tines. End of quote. However, maybe that we will see a new all-time high as the market starts looking at the projected 50% Fibonacci line at 63.48. So far today, a higher open and a further move higher to make a new all-time high again. However, the move up seems to have exhausted the market for the moment, as prices have slipped back to the high 2 weeks ago at 62.80.5. I will be very interested to see where exactly we close tonight. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.